Merry meet everybody. This is Shiv Shakti from Goddess Breath, and I'm here to give you your weekend reading. I hope you had a great week because the energies have been really intense, and with Navratri starting, Navratri is the 9 days, 9 nights of the goddess, and with that starting, the energy has been very, very intense. So let's see what the weekend holds for us. Ah, beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. It says believe in yourself. See yourself doing well and you will. This time of the month is rather this time of the year, because it is the first Navratri. It's called Chaitra Navratri. It is a very powerful Navratri for people who are looking to attain power and to progress in their meditation, and to really go forward on their spiritual path, basically. And this card fits in perfectly when it says believe in yourself. See yourself doing well and you will. It's almost like a wish fulfilling sort of space right now. So the minute you have decided that, okay, this is what I want to do, this is what I want to be, this is how I want it to be, and the minute you focus on that, you decide it and you focus on that, and you will be surprised, you'll be very, very surprised to see that it is all manifesting one after the other. But the point that you have to keep in mind is that you have to believe that it is happening, not that it will happen, that it is happening right away. I also feel that there is probably a mentor around you who will help you with whatever you want to do, but you have to be open enough to take that help, take that advice, take that push, go in that direction. There will be people who will help you with doubts, and you will doubt yourself because it's the easiest thing to do, to doubt yourself. But this is your challenge. Are you able to let go of that doubt? Are you able to just let it go and say, fine, I'll look at it later? You know, like just pull back a minute and say, fine, we'll think about it later, never mind. If you can do that for yourself, if you can really just understand that that is nothing but your mind and your insecurities coming up and playing games with you, it will really make a lot of sense, because you will actually be able to get over it. And when you do get over it, you will actually reach where you have to reach or where you want to reach. And it doesn't have to just be going with wherever life takes you. It is also about telling life, I feel like going here, how about taking me there? And life will give you everything that you need to be going where you want to go. So I hope you have a great weekend. I hope you have a great weekend, and tell me how you feel about this. And happy Navratri, people. I hope you have a great Navratri this year. Take care. Love you.